Top 6 Outer Space Facts that will blow your mind. Number 6. In outer space, sound can travel through the vacuum of space. Have you ever heard of a sound that is louder than 180 decibels? Well, there is a place in our universe where this actually happens. Scientists believe that the Big Bang, which is the formation of our universe, created a lot of noise. This noise is still present in the background of our universe, and we can actually hear it if we have the right equipment. It sounds like this. That's 100 times louder than the loudest sound that a human can tolerate. No. 5. Every object in space is constantly falling. Everything in space is in a constant state of falling, including the Earth. This is because there is no gravity in space, so everything is just floating around. If you let go of something in space, it will just keep on floating away. Number 4. You can see both the past and future of space at the same time. When you look up into space, you are actually looking back in time. This is because light takes time to travel, and the farther away an object is, the longer it takes for the light from that object to reach our eyes. So when we see a star, we are actually seeing it as it was in the past. Similarly, we can also see into the future by looking at objects that are very close to us. This is because light from these objects reaches our eyes very quickly, so when we see them, we are actually seeing them as they will be in the future. Now 3. In space, there are more stars than grains of sand on all the beaches on Earth. The number of stars in the universe is uncountable, but astronomers estimate that there are at least 100 billion trillion stars out there. That's 10 to the power of 22 stars. And the number of grains of sand on all the beaches on Earth is only about 7.5 trillion. That's 10 to the power of 13 grains of sand. So there are many more stars in the universe than grains of sand on all the beaches on Earth. Number 2. A day on Venus is longer than a year. Venus rotates on its axis once every 243 days, which means that a day on Venus is longer than a year on Earth. But Venus rotates so fast that its atmosphere moves from east to west, which makes the sunset on Venus look like a sunrise. Number 1. Space is actually full of water. Even though we don't see any lakes or rivers or oceans out there, space is actually full of water. In fact, there is more water in space than on Earth. Most of the water in space is in the form of ice, and it is found on asteroids, comets, and even some moons. So there you have it, guys. These are some amazing outer space facts that will blow your mind. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Subscribe for more crazy and horrifying space facts.